3, negative 2, positive 4, negative 1, and positive 5. Find the total temperature change. It's as you see it here, the first working out, you can just put them together. But the easiest way is to put all the positive numbers together, like the positive 5, positive 3, and the positive 4. Add them, then you subtract. All the positive number would give us 8 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So you'll have 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 gives us the 9. And that would be the total. There it is. All right, moving on to section C, question 1. Last year, 4 cities received rainfall in centimeters. City A, 12 centimeters. City B, 15 centimeters. City C, 10 centimeters. And city D, 20 centimeters. Who had the least, meaning the lowest? So after listing the cities A, B, C, and D, I noticed that city C had the lowest, which is 10. Then it says order in ascending order. Ascending means from the smallest to the biggest. So ascending from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest one would have been 10, then 12, then 15, then 20. That's it. All right, next question. On a coordinate grid, the points 3, 4 represent the location. Another point, -5, -2 represent a different location. Find the horizontal and vertical distance. Horizontal is always the x values, and then vertical would have been the y values. So the horizontal, every time you hear that, it's the x value. Vertical would be the y value. So here are the x values, the first ones, and the y value. So for the x horizontal, you're going to add the absolute value of those. For the y, you're going to add the absolute value. All right? So here we have it. So the horizontal, which is x, you add the absolute value. So it's the absolute value of 3 plus the absolute value of -5, which is 3 plus 5, because it's the space from the number to 0. So that's 8. Then the vertical is absolute value of 4, which is 4. Absolute value of 2, which is 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So it's 8 units for the horizontal and 6 units for the vertical. Section D, an application to real-life situation. A construction worker calculates the area of a rectangle using area equals length plus width instead of, which is the correct one, area equal length multiplied by width. Identify, correct, and evaluate it. So you need to identify his problem, correct it, and then work it out. So what was his mistake? The mistake, he did addition instead of multiplication. Then you're going to correct it by using this formula. Area, A equals the length times the width. And then if A is 7, they give here. Length is 7 and width is 4, you put them in the formula. And when you put them in this formula, 7 times 4, you'll get 28 unit squares. Unit square or square unit.